Fifth Sunday of Easter, the Gospel of John, chapter 14, 1 to 12. Do not let your hearts be troubled. Believe in God, believe also in me. In my Father's house there are many dwelling places. If it were not so, would I have told you that I go to prepare a place for you? This passage is part of his farewell discourse in the Gospel of John. The statement about Father's house lies between the foretelling of his own suffering and death in John chapter 13 and the promising of the Holy Spirit in John chapter 14. The word Father's house indicates our dwelling in the Trinity, Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. And the way to reach that house is the incarnate God, Jesus, who is the way and the truth and the life. To enter into that house, we do not wait for our physical death. It is here and now. There is an illustrated story about the persecution of John Chrysostom, the Archbishop of Constantinople, in beginning of the 5th century, in which he explains the nature of the Father's house. The Empress Eudoxia, the wife of Byzantine Emperor Arcadius, threatened Chrysostom with banishment. Bishop Chrysostom wrote of his thoughts to his fellow bishop Cyriacus. If the empress wishes to banish me, let her banish me. The earth is the Lord's, the Father's house. If she would sow me in sunder, I have Isaiah for a pattern. If she would plunge me in the sea, I remember Jonah. If she would thrust me in the fiery furnace, I see the 3 children, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, enduring that. If she would cast me to wild beasts, I call to mind Daniel in the den of lions. If she would stone me, let her stone me. I have before me Stephen, the first martyr. If she would take my head from me, let her take it. I have John the Baptist. If she would deprive me of my worldly goods, let her do it. Naked came I from my mother's womb, and naked shall I return. Quotes from Psalms 24 and Job 1. A dramatic illustration of his trial describes like this. The empress threatened John Chrysostom, I will banish you. John replied, You cannot banish me, for this world is my Father's house. But I will kill you, the empress said. John responded, No, you cannot, for my life is hid with Christ in God. I will take away your treasures, said Eudoxia. No, you cannot, for my treasure is in heaven and my heart is there. But I will drive you away from your friends, and you will have no one left. Eudoxia responded, No, you cannot, said John, for I have a friend in heaven from whom you cannot separate me. I defy you, for there is nothing you can do to harm me. He was not afraid of persecution and death, because he was certain that he was already in his Father's house.